Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remotely ring your lost or missing Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or the Ultra. So if it's missing somewhere and you need to ring it aloud, then this is what you have to do. You need to go and get another mobile device such as another Android phone or iPhone, or you can go to your computer. Once you have access to a web browser, so on my Android phone, I'm going to open up the web browser. In here, you want to go to a website called Find My Mobile. So there is the web address right there, findmymobile.samsung.com. So you want to open up that website and then sign in to your account. So make sure that you sign in with the same account on this device. So whatever the account username that you use on this lost or missing device, you want to use that same account to sign in. So sign in and tap on next with the password. So put in the password and then tap on the sign in button. Okay, next, once you have signed in, you will be presented with this screen right here. So you can tap on the up and down arrow to expand or collapse the two bars at the bottom. And in here, tap on ring. So tap on the ring button and then tap on start. And as soon as you tap on the start button, it will immediately ring. Now again, if you leave it too long and your session has run out, you need to sign in again. Okay, so I'm going to tap on the start button again after signing in. And that's it. So that is how you can remotely ring your device so that you can locate its whereabouts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.